Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Tesla Model X. While your Model X is designed to power down automatically when you exit, there are times you might need to manually shut it off completely. This is useful for troubleshooting or when storing the vehicle for an extended period. We'll cover the simple steps to ensure a safe and proper shutdown, making sure you understand both the automatic and manual processes. Let's get started with the basics. To manually power off your Model X, first ensure the vehicle is completely stopped and in park. Then, on your large center touchscreen, tap the controls icon. From there, navigate to the safety menu. Within the safety options, you will find and select Power Off. After confirming, the vehicle will begin its shutdown sequence. Remember, the car will power back on if you press the brake pedal or touch the touchscreen. Manually powering off your Tesla Model X is not typically needed for daily use, as it automatically powers down when you exit. However, it's beneficial for specific situations. Consider a full power off if you're storing the vehicle for an extended period, or if you're experiencing unusual behavior or a nondescript alert on the screen. This can often resolve minor electronic glitches, similar to restarting a computer. Always refer to your owner's manual for detailed guidance. It's important to remember that your Model X is designed to automatically power off when you leave the vehicle with your key fob or phone key. A manual power off is a deeper shutdown, often used for troubleshooting or when the car will be inactive for a longer duration. After initiating a manual power off, wait at least 2 minutes without interacting with the vehicle before waking it up. And for those looking to upgrade their home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.